Guys, this is outfit number one.
My power and black array.
The shirt, pants.
We're transitioning from our own past into an unknown future.
We gon' take it to the moon, take it to the stars. And people seeing the process. It took 4 years to create this show. And I think the true beauty is in the process. I'm thankful for every tear, for every year. I'm thankful for my children. I'm thankful for my husband. I'm thankful for all the shit we've been through. I'm thankful for my mother. My beautiful queen. I'm thankful that we all have the ability to make lemonade out of our lemons.
Can we take it out?
No, please, please. Diva?
Or formation of underworld.
No.
My power and black array.
Okay, that's gonna be a part of the music. Lou, baby, you're gonna have to take it down a few notches, okay? Listen, I appreciate your opinion, but you gotta calm down. You can't cut people.
No, the view was like.
She was so
They even standing at the door now, people in this room.
This that rhythm, this that lightning, this that burn, this ain't no perm, this that nappy, this that herb, this my kinfolk, and that's my skinfolk, this that war, that's my bloodline. On the front line, ready for war, go blue! Gotta protect my grace, keep it locked in my safe. Don't make me get back on my ways, my power they'll never take. It's the reason why they all big mad and they always have honey come around my way around. Whenever mama says so.
Jay,
Huh?
dude, say something.
Something.
Doing?
The shirt, pants, and the dress.
Okay.
Should even be voluntary search for
Okay.
your age and
This is it. I'm washing it off my face and I'm only doing it once. It took so long to dry. Can't even speak, so. Guys, this is outfit number one. But like I am gonna change it. Because the breast area is a bit too much. It's outfit number one, but I am gonna change it, but it looks cute. It looks slay. I am going to take off those glasses and look for my normal glasses. Because these are not prescribed, so I can't see a thing, and I'm not wearing my contacts today. Yesterday was hell. Oh, I can. No. I'll decide later. I decided I'll wear that on Wednesday for my friend's birthday thing. So maybe, but I don't know. I feel like there's too many colors. So maybe this, but the black one. Okay. Find my glasses and head out. I have to make this work. I'm gonna be late. Bye.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, with nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day. Your baby boy would one day walk on water. Mary, did you know when you kissed your little baby, you kissed the face of God? And Mary, did you know? Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año de felicidad. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our heart. What do you say?
I can do this. Close this soon. Okay.
Look, it's so cute. Oh, wow. I was ready. The only ones here. No, there's one more girl. Ver.
That's embarrassing. No. See her out with clothes that are not production.
With clothes?
That are not production. Yes. You see?
I'm so sour.
You back. You can go again, but it has to be a trick shot.
Oh shit.
Go again. Go again. Go again.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to
helping me with everything because my mom is behind everything. She just.
Go, Sandy!
Also, Nadira, she came here early in the morning. And yeah, guys, thank you for sending my special moment to me. I love you all so much. Okay, sorry.
Go, Nandi. I removed my. Just go home. Stay. Just don't feel like sleeping. I want to start packing and then like set aside clothes that I need to wash before I leave.
I'm gonna get the speech. You are not giving the speech.
Dresses because I'm going to Durban. They're gonna like cute socks.
Just saying, you can take it down here a little bit, that's all.
Oh yeah, because that's where you need them. My cute Christmas socks.
You're so emotional all the time, that's all.
You taking on a lot?
Hey, why? You're saying everything.
Guys, I'm so tired. I get off work at 9. I think it's 9. I'm so tired. I have this book at home, and I was trying to see what it's about. Like I know what it's about, but I was trying to see if I would still be interested in it now. I guess I am. I'm currently reading this one.
How are you getting you?